Good morning. Today is Monday, so happy Monday. It's Easter. I'm the only dog handler at work. So yeah, lucky me, I guess. It's gonna be a very quiet day here at work because most of the people are on Easter break, which means more time for dog training. So that's gonna be awesome. Kom da! Kom så! Den er dygtig. Det er dygtigst. Det er dygtigst. You'd think that by now, since it's April 3rd, that we'd had some warmer weather, but no, we still have frost in the night, or during the night. Just wonderful. Hi! You ready for some tracking? It's a small track with lots of treats. Time to put out a field search for my little doggy. It's gonna be in that area. Well, let's hide it a little bit. What else do I have in my pocket? I have a lot of stuff here. So I really need to empty my pockets out. It's ridiculous. Oh my god. What's this? Yeah. Let's put you here. And something over here. Ow. There. Perfect. A bit more walking. Come here. And this time I got some treats. Come. I actually found a deer skull, not a deer skull, some animal skull in that area in there at one of our dog training days. And I did actually bring it home. Why did I bring it home? But my intention is to, I don't know, maybe spray paint it gold? Something like that. Thought could be fun. But it does smell a little bit funky. Despite there not being any meat and stuff left on it. Would you look at this? Beautiful. Very excited for spring. I feel like this winter has been the longest winter in my entire life. So very excited to see the trees blossom once again. Hi! Plads. Det er ikke en plads, det der. Sit. Sit. Marker. Fint, ven. Må du gå? Hva? Må du gå? Ja. Super. Er der mere? Dygtig. Ja. Er der mere? Var der noget der? Dygtig. Er der mere? I really love how he's working and how he enjoys looking. You can see his tail is wiggling. I don't know. He just loves this. He truly enjoys everything training related, truly. He's a bit stressed out in general, but yeah, he really is a delight to work with. And he doesn't really give up. He just keeps on going. So, it's now 4:45. Yeah, 4:45 in the afternoon. And a few hours ago I laid out a few larger objects for him to find on this path here. The wind direction has changed. So it's not gonna be coming from the side, it's gonna come, I don't know, direct at him, I think. I don't know. We'll see if he finds anything. I think he has something right now. Yeah. And also I got this today. I'm gonna see if he likes it. If not, he's just gonna get the ball. Dygtig. Fin, Bessie. What did you find? Oh, you like that? Yeah, he didn't catch that scent, so I helped him. That's okay. Come on. I think he likes that. Perhaps. Let's continue. We got a pair of pants further up. Slip. Dygtig. Videre. I love this area of the base camp, despite the fact that I can hear the road. It's very peaceful and quiet. I love it. Found something more. Let's go in here, see what he found. Dygtig. Oh, we lost the pants. Here they are. Good boy. Sit. Dygtig. Vente, vente. Ja. Oh, you like this one, huh? Dygtig. Hvad så? Fri. Dygtig. So, we are not quite done with today's training. Let's do some bite work. Just some basics. Hopefully he's gonna be a little bit better at letting go when I tell him to. We'll see. Slap! Yeah. Come out. Sit. Sit. Nine. Sit. Nine. Three. Slip. Stick. Bakke. Bakke. Stick. One shot. Sit. Yeah. Sit. Ja. Hey! Hey! Ja, hvor er du god, ven. Kom her. Dygtig. Nej. Slip! Slip! Sit! Und der. Ja! Og den der. Fint. Fri. Sit. Sit. Super. Nej. Sit. Sådan. Flot. Flot. Fri. Dæk. Super Bessie. After such a biting session, good boy, I usually just let him run around with the sleeve in his mouth to get some adrenaline out and for him to enjoy his reward. Look at that tail. Good boy. Look how happy he is. Very thirsty. Oh, and in case you're interested, yes, I know the back of my car is a mess, but I wanted to show you what I have here. So we have one dog and my backpack, and I have 2 tracking leashes. This one I bought myself. It's a little bit shorter, but the grip is better. And then the other one is that one. I usually use that one, actually. And I have 2 obedience leashes for when we are doing obedience training and they have to be on leash. This is much easier. And I also have one in black also on that one. My jacket, my regular leash, which I always wear, and then some treats. And of course, whatever training stuff I need. And we just use this one. This is the Kong we just discovered that he liked, and the 2 objects. So yeah. And of course I have water. I always fill this up in the morning. He hasn't been drinking a ton of water today, but this makes him thirsty, so yeah, it's great. Final walk of the day, and then this shift is almost over. I'm very excited to go home. Come on! Like I said, final walk. He just needs to pee, maybe poop. Then I'm gonna serve him his first dinner because he gets 2 dinners. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little work vlog. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!